Book of Heaven, Volume 12, April 2nd, 1921. The soul who operates in the divine will gives for all and receives for all. I feel my poor mind as though dazed, and I lack the words to put on paper what I feel. If my Jesus wants me to write, he will deign to say in words what he infuses in me by means of light. So I just remember that on coming, he said to me,
"My daughter, in one who prays, loves, repairs, kisses me, adores me in my will, I feel as if all were praying me, loving me, etc. In fact, since my will envelops everything and everyone, in my volition the soul gives me the kiss, the love, the adoration of all. And I, looking at everyone in her, give to her as many kisses, as much love as I should give to all. The soul in my will is not content if she does not see me fulfilled by the love of all, if she does not see me kissed, adored, prayed by all. In my will one cannot do things by halves but complete, and to the soul who acts in my volition I cannot give small things but immense, which can be sufficient for all. I behave with the soul who acts in my volition like a person who would want to have a work done by 10 people. Now, of these 10, only one offers himself to do the work. All the others refuse. Is it not right that he give to one alone everything that he should give to all 10 of them? Otherwise, where would be the difference between one who acts in my will and one who acts in his own will?
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus's lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring his kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.